So the company name is System Studies Incorporated. We're based in SoCal, California, right outside of Santa Cruz, California, right here on the beach. Since 1979, we were providing services to the telephone companies in terms of software and monitoring for their underground plant. We specialize in the pressurization of underground equipment with air to keep it dry during leaks or during other situations. So what do we have? We have 14 employees here at our offices, and that includes manufacturing, software development, shipping, accounts processing, sales. We have sales people out in the field. Before we chose Business Central, we decided to move forward with this project. We were using Macs and Great Plains for accounting, and we were coming to the end of the useful life of this software where we really needed to upgrade to a new system to keep pace with all of the tasks we want to do. So we initially started looking at Business Central and NetSuite, the Oracle product from NetSuite. And the real big difference between the two for us was that at least with Sabre and with Microsoft, the implementation costs were a little bit more fixed. They were fixed implementation costs in terms of we knew what we were getting. Whereas with the NetSuite Oracle product and the implementation thereof, it was kind of like a black box. The price could be all over the place. And we didn't have any idea of where it was going in the next few years. It could double the following year. It could triple. We really didn't know what we were dealing with. And when as a small business, we can't deal with that kind of uncertainty. We kind of need to know what the future holds for us. So that was how we settled on Business Central, both for cost savings in the moment right now, but also for cost uncertainty moving forward in the future. It was something that we could count on, Business Central being there to assist us. Business Central has been a good fit for us so far. I think that the actual workflow through Business Central for creating kits and assemblies and shipping orders has been pretty seamless. I can't complain about it. It takes some getting used to when you move over from any software, but for us, it seems intuitive, and we always know that if we have issues, we can always pull up a video, or the helpful materials that Microsoft provides has also been useful for us. So I can't complain about the workflow at all. It seems smooth. The boys here seem to grasp it, and we're moving forward. Hasn't slowed us down. I would recommend Business Central. It was definitely the right fit for us compared to the competitors. We were looking at NetSuite with Oracle, and Business Central, it appeared to do all the things we needed it to do. And for a small company like us, it's a good fit. I would. I think that Sabre was a good fit for us, especially in this time with coronavirus. At the beginning, it forced us to become a little bit more efficient, and that was what was really driving our change in the implementation going to Business Central. But knowing that Sabre really specialized in these remote implementations, if you had pitched this whole process to me, a couple of years ago, we said, well, we definitely need somebody on site to walk us through this project. Now, when coronavirus hits, we're not able to do that. So we definitely needed a partner like Sabre, who was very well versed in implementing these projects from a distance. So that was probably the first. That changed the whole project in my mind right from the beginning. We need somebody focused on this, and that seems to be Sabre's a good fit for you guys. And also, it changed us. I wouldn't have thought that we would be implementing with a company not even based in California or even based in the United States. But it didn't seem to be that there was any issues working from California with Sabre in Ontario, Canada. Everything was quoted in terms of Pacific Standard Time for us here, and that worked out very well for us, and it was very smooth on our end. I'm sure Sabre had to jump through some hoops to make it work for them, but as far as we were concerned, you were just another California company just down the street from us. And when we were researching Business Central, we found the helpful videos online that Sabre has produced about Business Central, and that helped us get a basic understanding of how the process works and how the software works. And then when it was pretty clear to us that this was a company that we could see ourselves partnering with because of the way that they were to present the information to us remotely using their YouTube videos, we assumed that the training would not be a problem for Sabre to present the Business Central content to us.